In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Paint on your Windows computer through the Microsoft Store. Whether you're new to using Windows or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and understand each part. First, let's start by navigating to your desktop. This should be the default screen displayed right after logging into your computer. If you're not already there, you can minimize any open windows or simply click on the desktop area from the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Being familiar with your desktop environment is crucial as it's your main point of access to all the applications and files you use. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Windows search bar. You can also use the shortcut by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This search bar is one of the quickest ways to find and open applications on your computer. It's quite handy, acting as your personal assistant for locating anything you need. With the search bar open, take a moment to ensure you have a clear view of it without any other windows overlapping. In this search field, you'll want to type in Microsoft Store. The Microsoft Store is a hub where you can download and install all the applications supported by Microsoft. Keep in mind that the availability of certain apps may vary depending on your region, so it's good to be aware of this variable. Once you see the Microsoft Store icon appear in the search results, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the store in a new window. Now, if you haven't already logged into your Microsoft account, the store might prompt you to do so. Having an account can enhance your experience with personalized recommendations and the ability to save application preferences. Inside the Microsoft Store, locate the search bar prominently displayed at the top. Here's where you type in Paint. Even though Microsoft Paint is typically pre-installed on Windows PCs, searching for it here will ensure you're accessing the latest version available for your system. Once Paint appears in the search results, you can proceed to open it directly from the store, or if needed, click on the Get or Install button, usually located beneath the application's icon. If you face regional restrictions, like not being able to access the store, it may be useful to explore official alternatives or similar graphics applications that come preloaded on your system. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed Microsoft Paint via the Microsoft Store. I hope this guide was clear and helpful, equipping you with the steps necessary to find and use Microsoft Paint or manage any similar software installations in the future. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher.